Crazy view.
Check it out.
Yeah. A few, yeah. Check on the water now. Water ready. I put in the rasta pasta. I mash up some pasta today. You know, we're not really in a long cooking or the whole heap of different kind of cooking. We just do some normal pot. So we have to work. And the boss not really in a whole heap of meat. The man then just be a fish and veg. Yeah, so I mean if you go match up the next thing then, you know.
Still chef them few people them say,
Yeah, we know your chef them, but
yeah,
you see me?
they want the food, you just cook it.
Yeah, if people want it, whatever, no one still when you get it, but not anything still. Fire move so lazy. I'm going out of fuel already. Plus a breeze is still, so I'm so light up. So them and they blow fire like a fan. Yo, man, I blow fire like a fan. Biscuit girl.
15 minutes.
Biscuit. Groom your skin.
So have a whole compound can run.
Soon go take on some more cup there, so. There. Your little ends bad already.
Well, place nice. Look all nice up on the video.
What you mean, man? Capture everything one time. I make go on the bad backdrop now, see that? Yeah. Mama go and boil up now. Can't hear her. It's a sure boil up, man. See there? It's like if me forward up here, so I not turn on the sound, I don't feel good about but so I feel ball in the heels, man. Oh, me have that tree over there, so me do one drop still. The one the right in me good, so behind the red tree. And then one there above. Just clean up the place and just, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So me I take on some work still.
And then long bit I use them still.
Take on some work. Clean up the whole over there, so. Go straight up to that tree there, so that one there, up at top. Up the side level now, up there so nice. Further you go up the more level like, yeah. But down here so the steep bit.
The seed is dry.
Yeah man, when you're up at top there so man, the sea they're close by. It's so nice. Can't wait till we reach up there so. That sea look nice today. You know, if I come out here, me not go see all now. Me is not a big fan of sea still. Not a big fan of sea. Me go Buff Bay where there, you know, fire station, no fire station, the gas station near Seawave. You know that little food shop there. Me go around and back there so. Go eat some food and just chill. Run that nice man.
Nice place.
Biscuit girl child. Mr. Lizard they get famous. I tell you, say, no come over here, so no, because I don't like you, no. You stay far from me. watch I hear bird them make noise in the background.
Nature is alive, you know?
So much things going on right now. Car I drive down on the road. Bird I make noise. Tree I rub up and I make noise.
But what the fuck?
Biscuit. Now we're done with the most famous dog of Jamaica. Everybody I go and meet a biscuit.
What the one and copy them.
Everybody I go and meet biscuit.
Before early. Yeah, people.
Some simple pot we are cooking, you know? Something simple.
They're expensive.
No big excitement cooking. The excitement cooking soon forward still, so. So now we just are going on a level. Look at this thing. Hang on. We want to try this. Strap up. The scotch bonnet there. Yellow and green scotchy. We want our next level place where we can put different things, but now you see it become everything now.
Nice, huh?
That tastes nice though. Done this, go mash up some now. Yeah, man, that good. Okay. See it there? All this creative cooking.
Yeah, miss. A paper. I eat, man. Gym Mountain style. Yeah. You're colorful too. Eat, man. Eat those boy. I go cook out that door for Blue Mountain.
What do you mean, man? We bring everything with me, bro. Everything we bring up here. I invest in like a fold up table and them things, you know, man? So when I touch it, we know so we have everything. That's all the headquarters now. See me? Yeah, but we have to touch up more while too.
Yeah, man. About the fuck.
Right, people? That pepper is hot. Oh God, man. Flavorful though.
Yeah.
But me not lie, it's hot. We have to do this again now. That one is bad.
Yeah, man.
Simple but bad.
Active with your man.
Yes, sir, we in the hills, we have to pay no bills.
No deal. Imagine you're in a restaurant and have them up on the menu. And then choose what kind of meat they want to be there.
Like a stir fry.
Yeah.
Biscuit a spoon get your food now. Are you not left for you out? Yes man, this bad man.
I think I have some more bank on my lot.
Full up of carbs. Energy. Don't call me. Don't need you. Get a girl by noon. If you know man who can style man thing and where you feel like. The boss comes the second round there. See, you know, say bad. See, lifespan water. Free promotion.
That's funny. They send you a piece of money.
Same with a couple case of water.
Yeah. Run promotion, you know.
Yeah, man, see it there?
Grace mackerel up there, you know.
Everything up here. See the lifespan.
Yeah.
Best tasting water. Real alkaline water as well.
Better tasting water for sure.
Yeah, man, it tastes good, man.
And it tastes like a rainwater.
Some of them taste sweet. Like a red water. And some of them come like say, it no matter how much you drink, brother, it's like you're still thirsty. You drink them water, you feel like you drink water.
Yes, man. You know, I start drinking, you know. Trade some.
But it's bad with the gungo, you know?
Yeah, I said to
Huh?
Yeah, I said to myself.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to make it neither.
I don't know where them pepper from. See,
One pepper tree, man.
yeah,
Yeah.
I go on good. Look like you're not ready to go anytime soon.
Make the pepper tree spread out.
That pepper, bad man, no pepper I would kill your face.
Yes, I.
Just damp you over anything, no, brother.
Venom.
Venom,
Yeah, man.
come like a cobra snake.
The pigs love your fuck.
Yeah?
And they run out, they want to.
A good production, man, good production.
So pepper they can make good seasoning.
Yeah.
Good sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Bad pepper sauce. I'm going to go play team.
Come. Enjoy food. Just get biscuit in the man. Months before I let him go in, you know, and the man has a fuck.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's why she was so long.
Hold it. Make beer nice.
Gotcha. Empty.
Food slap for throw, man. 1, 6.
The day just calm down, nice, look, sunshine down there, so up there, so. You know, man? Cool.
Earlier, the sun over here, sun over there's a pool, you know. Right, yeah, wash up your utensils, you know. Right,
Yes, sire. That was good.
some of these months I want to do something still, you know.
Huh?
Some of these months I want to do something, you know.
I will see.
I just don't do a bush. Right now.
I best leave it to this. It's a Pimentel solid. I use this for the for my tripod.
Like a hunker.
Like a anchor. See the shape, look at the shape. See it have that little V bit there? Yeah. I use it as an anchor for my tripod, so the weight balance. Yeah, famous piece of sitting this. Yeah. It's very famous. Just put it on the foot right there, so. And hold him so he can't move on nowhere. Yes, I. Digest a little bit, then digest a little bit, then we're going to take on some milk up there, so. For some trees, clean up the place, cause time not gonna last too long for me still, cause I still have to cut back in, as you know. So I have to go back in London. So just go and put in some work on the ground. As I say, we not do holiday. Holiday have a tourist, man, a tourist. Understand?
Let's start Germany to see them from our yard.
See.
Make sure so them poor food.
Still I pick out stuff out of the feed bed. you see them callaloo, you bust out of this, you know? If you look on the package and see all and then take for Germany. Yeah? So long? The more callaloo, the cabbage. 2 weeks then take? See him. Look how much I miss them.
If rain fall now, I get the rain water upon them too. Happy as fuck.
But we catch rainwater in our drum then also.
Magic them rain water.
Yeah man, cause remember say a nature now. Catch whole heap of sickness and fall. Remember it we catch in our drum this. Roll deep, say we roll deep. We mean roll deep. Full of army mean roll deep. For corner we governor 2 nor 3. Don't come near me. R.I.P. to the real OGs. You know like Two-Face. So man too easy if you switch dog. So them even if you don't really say everything dog. Hold back on the trigger. On the thugs there. Start the way reconstruct them. Hey. The full of army mean one leap. Not 2 nor 3. Roll deep for my dogs, roll deep. R.I.P. to the real OGs. Dogs roll deep. Jim Mountain.
Top, you know.
On the hill there's no fountain.
I wonder how deep you have to dig to get water.
Up there, sir?
Yeah. You have to clear it. It was deep.
Brother, we get water up there, sir. You know, fire, you feel like an island just trying to bombard. Yeah?
Mr. Ben up a plant up there, sir.
Where?
Right up look up past the old post office.
Yeah.
Go up on the stretch.
You get water?
You see man a dig hole over the bird. Water.
Yeah?
Yeah?
See him?
Water pump out and hold them.
Yeah, man. Because look, it's not far, it's not that far from the swamp no.
Sure. You know say water must stand and it something you don't get.
Water the upper some man. Water everywhere now. What depends on how the depth we have to go to get it. You see me? I remember say after upper sun man, where water go? You see me? It's soak under say there's some
Catchment.
water table, whatever they call it down there.
Yeah, man.
I remember now the river go see and come back. It's like a a conveyor belt really. Cause look pan, you see the water come from some mountain or from some mountain. You see me? So that means the water up there. So, yeah, any river fall like up a St. Thomas and fall there. Any fall where we have water. Notice that some hill it come off now.
Yeah, man.
So water feed up on them places. And I see him connect to the sea. And then it filter back through the earth. You see me?
Yeah. My boy, I live a mountain up a Bible, I have this marble. All the water that's a flow through all the mountain. So,
yeah, man, because I remember say, Bible water come from a mountain. And up there's a hill. You see me? Water up there, so man, but I just say dip where maybe because we not see none run up there. You see me? Maybe I've got to try to do that experiment, the one I did. Start graduate, see me?
Big. You have a bamboo tree, you could have find water. Bamboo will find water.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Bamboo love water.
I feed up like a monkey.
You say monkey would have find water.
Just give him salt, fin him.
Yeah.
Anyway, water then fine. I just said that them man they out in Africa. Out in what them call them? You know them man they from South Africa, man. Them bushman they. Yeah, man, them when they make the trap.
Crocodile don't do them.
No, them, you know them brother there. You remember that movie they call The Gods Must Be Crazy? Where the man drop it back out of the plane? Yeah. Yeah, them people there. What them do? Then they go to a hole, you know, like a bank like that, so. Then they go to a hole. And then
put the leaf in there.
No, then put salt inside there. Because the monkey don't like it. So when the monkey push it hand in there and grab on pan it, so they make so the hand can't go in, but you see when the fist fall, it can't come back out. So they push it hand in there and grab it and fold the fist, you pull out the hand can't come out, so you just come and catch them. You see me? And then catch them now, then give them the salt. And then name it because they like it. So when they name it now, they want water to drink. So what they do now, they just let go it. So when they let go that took off, they start trail it. Anyway, water they then find them, man. Because then, you remember them thing they know them water hole they drink from now. You see me? So, they just took off.
King Solomon used the same thing for Sheba.
See?
But a pepper and use instead. Yeah, man say, oh, if you know what, like a man have the water, you know.
Yeah.
And have the food with the pepper. Yeah, man. And if she don't want the water, she don't have to run up and put me it. Yeah, man. But if she want the water, yeah. And give her food, man. And to her food pepper. She have a ball for water, you know. Run pump on the king.
But you see that zinc enough, I should have dropped the next one there a bit lower now. Yeah. The one you nail on the tree. Yeah, make it come on the tree. So you see when you throw the dirt, you not run going away.
Just lock.
You just lock. And that means I said to you earlier. And I think I saw you that you drop it on the ground, so when you throw the dirt there. See me? Yeah. I see you drive the wheel, man. Yeah, should I just lock them on the ground, so. So do it that way there. And move it thick them from there so you have the dirt for thing there down. Yeah. You don't need to move. You get out and kick them first. Drop him right down the ground, we can go right at the ground. Yeah.
Really comfortable.
So that one I know.
You done cool already.
You never did it yet, but just common sense and never say things yet no. You know, so we are problem solvers, so we can just look and see and know how to do it, you know. Them tick and if you move, you tick them from there. Yeah, because when you throw a dirt, you don't want no ear pocket in between. You see me? But then I go build ear pockets so you can't cover them properly. Just pull them out.
Put the bush in there.
Yeah, but me I say move it, stick them and then the zinc now, you make it go meet the next one, that's like in a V. You understand? Yeah. Let's move them out, man. You want to give yourself too much work for them.
Set up in a whole lot of work, you know. Just broke my mind to it on this one.
Yeah. Actually, the way you work, you don't really think you just a work.
Yeah.
You see me? Because your mind is depend on it, so that's where you get loads of stuff done. If your mind depend on every minute you look on it distant, you have to go and say, Jesus Christ. Look how much shit me have to go do now. Yes, so let's get them out from there. And just bring that one in a V go there, so. And lock him again, same way. So you not even have to come round and say come load. You just throw from top and make him start roll down. Yeah, just a roll over. And you can just dash him from straight over. And then drop just to him start build up, you see me? Yeah. Biscuit. You alright, mama? Veggie in there. Got them veggie in there. And I say look at them veggie in there. The other side you have a plant and post behind that. So hold them up. Just try to get them sitting. This now you just bring him in a V there, so.
Rock him in there.
Yeah. Okay. You understand? So get them answer now.
Yeah, man,
alright, alright. When I drive that Bentley. Straight here to festival. The boss are driving a Bentley, you know?
Oh.
Damn, so. You see it now? Okay. Okay.
One piece of thicker one.
Yeah, if you catch up that one there. But you know what now? You see all that one now? You know you could have pulled him and bring him more. Bring him longer over, so this. Yeah. You could have walked him and bring him more. That make the two V them meet. The two end like it close to the end meet there, so.
Yeah, but not too close.
Yeah, not too close. Just when the dirt can't forward from, you see me? So you don't have to use no whole heap of zinc. So that cover have loads of space over there, so. You just need to. So brother, you just see good hammer dog there, man. You bring this, yeah. The hammer there if you use now. Because the one there go left up here, no?
Yeah.
The next hammer.
Yeah, man. Oh.
I think see I tell that use up here. When I come and see this, I say, yeah? this all, yo. I know. This, you go get the next of my brother in a thing there. In the washroom. You see that I need sitting for near the time. Lick down that like a them foreign police. Lick off door. Mm-hmm.
Door move.
Yeah, push it more. Go on, make it and take that. Yeah man, that's so, yeah. You see me I said now you cover more space over there so with it. See me?
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Yeah, this thing is so random, eh? Anything goes, watch it. Who knows your oak could have become a hammer?
Oh. Oh.
So maybe I've got to drive and peg behind this door.
Yeah.
If you hold the weight when the dirt company. Yeah. One over there, sir. And one between the two of them, yeah, sir. Not even really between the two of them, behind that one, yeah. Yeah? You see thing they have already, no? A piece of wood, yeah. We throw down this, so. That.
Yeah.
That one, yeah, sir.
It look like a bamboo.
No, not the bamboo, that a trumpet, no.
Yeah.
That one that me attack, the next one.
What's that?
Hmm?
That's that.
That we work, man. This. See thick piece here, we work. Just pint it up that, man. That we work. This. 100% that we work.
This?
No man, see it there, yeah, that, yeah. Yeah?
Kind of soft here, man.
But we work, man, nothing there, no fence stick. That we work, man. Just painted them off. Cause I remember say it place wet now, so. And I like say it dirt tough right now. Yeah man, just give him a pint on him. The man a bad pan and last now. And last year one go. That's a sharp like a chef knife.
Nice.
Yeah man, right behind this here. Yeah, because that one then I go move, but I don't have sitting behind third. Drive him as near as one zinc down there. One boy. Ah, you can't jump if I don't see like a brace now. Yeah. You understand? Yeah, that good.
You need something.
But you need hammer down.
Not really. Everything here.
Can I sweet that? And that tough. Yeah. Them then what they used to boy road. See.
Cold
See. Yeah, that's two. Let me get one. Yeah. What is good now. Yeah, man. Still need one more that side, I don't. You have more zinc now?
What next one? No, we can't go on the other side.
Yeah, man, you can go and throw dirt over here, so. I take them out for burn as well, no? And why did it, sir? That wall,
Not never do. Dig me, dig you up to get dirt.
Oh, see. I had them I take the thing, you know. Man on nobody, the man on nobody. Can't step to the ground. Man on nobody, the man from there. Man from nowhere. And for them stairs. We have enough dirt up on this still.
Yeah. All of them days are dig out.
That's what I say, if you where you want to do, come straight across. You see me? Everything from out west still I go end up back down as if you level up. From the marking out that's the piece of stick with water on. Yeah. The one pick up. The one that can knock out I see.
Yeah, they have one bigger man. The whole fire.
Yeah, but this take long though. If you have a pickaxe, you know, so once you dig in, so,
Yeah.
I hold it pass come one time.
No find that.
Hmm?
No find that.
Yeah, because you remember, say it all go deeper than this.
Oh, yeah. You have to hold
But
it.
this can go on still.
Yeah, man.
Remember, man, if you use what I have now. You know,
So,
can't use what you don't have.
that's sweet when we reach nice half piece of man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
The one that will look brownish.
yeah. And you have a white one and a powder.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, them places are nice. Can you imagine I use a pickaxe in there, so? We want to fling that in that right now, brother. That's all. The man a beast. What I mean beast.
Yeah.
And them man they make bulldozer off, you know. Yeah, man. The cat and the JVC and I saw them JVC or JBC. Them tractor there, them man they make that off, man. Look what man I deal with. One hole. I dig down one whole mountain.
Cool.
But people remember that spot here still. Just remember that spot here. Something beautiful I go at me and so. You understand? Everything start off ugly, you know, until the beauty created, you know.
Like dreadlock.
Yeah, man. We say who are working, it work better than before. True, we wedge it the way there.
Yes, man.
I tell you, man.
Ah, shit.
It's a tape.
The mouth and the race, you know. I'm gonna have to, oh, I can't do this, man.
Check the thing and see if it a move. The wedge. Check your wedge.
Oh, ain't good, man.
I don't come up, it a come up, man. I wouldn't come up.
Tight, man. Well said.
I tell you, man. See him. Like, look why when that lick him, it have come up.
Yes, I may do the pickaxe.
You just want to cut a stick with fit, and then all you need to do is bust him and just wedge him. That's it.
Yeah, man. Getting things done.
All over. Yes, people. See it there? Man, I work like a tractor, you know?
Man, get fit here to come and Dream Mountain, man.
Now you see a person named Dream Mountain, a big activities. I met the men's meet.
Must can like this tomorrow.
Yeah. Right guys, see it though? You reach to a stage right now, we can hang up on top of it.
Yeah, man.
Mountain, you know? We make a mountain from the mountain. So, go check out now and give the boss a strength. You know me? You think up a trouble upon it.
You know? Active people, just like and subscribe and share, you know? Left a comment, let me know say you did it. Yeah. Drop your location. Alright.
Alright, so I will give him a strength now, so look more.